Welcome to my video on Kartra Benefits, where I'll be deep diving into the all-in-one platform, and in a moment I'll also be showing you how you can access my 12k mega bonus. So be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews, strategies and tools that can help your business. So what is Kartra? Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform that integrates multiple tools such as your sales funnels, your email automations, and much more. So here are the key Kartra benefits. Number one, it's an all-in-one platform, meaning there's no need for multiple tools. You have everything you need under one roof. As you can see, you can sell products on Kartra. You can run your email marketing campaigns and build a list. Not only build a list, but automate the whole process. You can build websites, funnels, landing pages. You can do all of this with multiple options. You can have your opt-in forms. You can create membership sites, anything from webinars, upload your own media. You can set appointments using their calendar system. You can create surveys, which literally helps you get a better insight into what your customer activities are, what they're thinking, which will help you produce better marketing campaigns. You have access to a help desk feature, which helps you attend the needs to your customers and clients by answering their inquiries using this system. You have access to funnel makers, and not to mention a whole marketplace where you can get landing pages, email campaigns, webinar sequences, and much more by experts in the field, including some free options that you can customize and use to your discretion. This saves you time and money by centralizing all your business activities under one platform. The second benefit of Kartra is they have a very easy to use drag and drop interface. For example, we can just choose a random landing page to customize. Let's pick this one, the lander, call it tester lander, no particular category, create, and we can customize everything. And there's a section called components. So I could drag an image right here and I can customize it simply by going to select image and apply. Very easy, very smooth, very slick. This means even beginners can create professional websites without needing to know coding. The third benefit of Kartra is automations and email marketing. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to blur out my email list here. You can create leads, which is building your lists. You can customize and label your lists. You can tag them. You can send out broadcasts. You can create sequences and advanced automations. And you can use analytics to analyze your performance. That means you can analyze your leads, your lists, your broadcast, and your sequences, helping you make adjustments where need be to get critical information to be able to focus on specific lists or leads. So this is just as good as any other autoresponder you can find on the marketplace, but everything is on one centralized platform. The fourth Kartra benefit is sales funnels and conversions. So Kartra has pre-built templates and easy to customize funnels that make it very easy to optimize your conversions. No need to be a tech expert, just grab a template you like and start customizing it to your liking. So if we take a look at some of these websites again, you can grab whichever one you like, test again, category, create, and you can just customize straight away. Even better, you can use AI to make it happen for you. This is a landing page on video SEO and how to rank on page 1 of Google. Academic, just use Kartra. It takes a moment, but there you have it. AI has literally created my landing page for me. It took seconds, but all the information I've given it, it's created me a wonderful landing page. And all you have to do is place your logo at top and the video, and you have a wonderful landing page. And this is another one of the benefits of Kartra. Now, another benefit of Kartra is Kartra allows you to have an affiliate management system. This means you can create and manage your own affiliate program, which will definitely bring in an extra income to your business. And best of all, you can track and manage affiliate performance directly in the platform. Another benefit of Kartra is membership sites. Kartra lets you host membership sites with gated content for paying subscribers, providing scalable income. And best of all, these membership sites integrate perfectly with the other tools in Kartra. So you can use all the integrations such as Stripe and PayPal, such as Zapier, and so many more third-party apps outside of Kartra, but everything you need is within Kartra. So your membership sites can be easily tracked when it comes to performance. And that brings me to the last Kartra benefit of this video. Because this is an all-in-one platform, everything can be analyzed and tracked through the whole life cycle of your customer. Everything from performances, purchases, behaviors can all be analyzed, and that helps you with the ability to tailor make targeted marketing campaigns towards those individual behaviors. And these Kartra benefits are the reason why this platform is one of the best CRMs in the market today. Now, if you're interested in a 30-day free trial, then definitely sign up on the link below. But I also want to give you access to my 12K bonus stack in the link below, just for giving Kartra a free trial for 30 days. So let's have a look at what you're going to get. Now, the reason why this 12K bonus stack is important is because it solves the number one issue all businesses have, which is customers. And if you're online, I mean traffic. So the first part of this bonus stack is you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. This is going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google for free, eliminating the need for advertising at all. You no longer will need to spend money on Facebook ads, because this is going to show you how to not only do the proper keyword research to target your audience, but how to get your videos on page one for competitive keywords using a very special technique that almost guarantees you a front page ranking all the time. And you're going to be taught by a super affiliate, my mentor, Paul Murphy, who's created this formula for you to get at least $1,000 a day in your online activities. The next part of this bonus stack is I'm going to give you the ability to give away this very 12K bonus stack for free. So you have an official license to give this bonus stack away to your audience to provide more value for their online endeavors. And next, I'm going to give you access to weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy. This is going to help you level up your business activities, because you can ask him any question you have in regards to your business and marketing activities. So when you attend these calls, be sure to interact and be vocal and ask questions, because it's not every day you're going to get access to Paul Murphy. He charges $15,000 and up just for a consultation. So this is the opportunity to get your business in the right position and ask a super affiliate who's done millions as a super affiliate and as a business owner. So this is definitely worth you signing up for Kartra for a free trial, just for this part of the bonus stack alone. And last but not least, I'm going to give you access to the 4-day ranking system. This is going to help you get your first listings online, which will definitely boost your confidence and make you more eager to implement this strategy into your own business or your own affiliate marketing campaigns to start the process right away and start ranking and start banking. So just to recap, you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor. You're going to get the license to give away this very same bonus stack. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. I'm also going to add on an extra bonus, which is List Prodigy. This is going to help you build a very lucrative email list, because you're going to be taught specific tactics that help you not only generate a list from a secret traffic source, you're going to learn how to guarantee an increase in open rates, whilst also using AI to help you with this process. And best of all, it is newbie friendly, so you do not have to be an expert email marketer to take advantage of this. And it was $197, but today, if you sign up for Kartra through my link below, you will get this for free included in the overall bonus stack. And last but not least, to sweeten the deal even more, I'm going to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses. This is going to range from everything from affiliate marketing to digital marketing to Amazon FBA to LinkedIn marketing to high ticket sales. You're going to have everything you need to improve your actual skill sets. And if you have membership sites, you can use some of this information as inspiration for your own audience. So you have everything you need to really level up your skill set with this third part of the bonus. So let's have a quick recap of what you're going to get if you decide to sign up for Kartra using my link below. You're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system. You're also going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor. You're going to get a license to be able to give away this specific bonus. And you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, 100% free. But you're also going to get List Prodigy, which is going to help you build an email list. And last but not least, you're going to get access to 90 Make Money online courses. All you have to do is click the link below. It will take you to this landing page where you can fill in your name and your email, and it will take you directly to Kartra, but you will receive an email with all your bonuses inside and instructions on what to do in order to access your mega bonuses. So be sure to check your email and your spam in order to make sure that you get hold of that email. So thank you very much for watching the video. Like, subscribe if you can, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.